Experience Brighton's corner lot sophistication, where thoughtful design meets mountain views. This contemporary home presents a striking gray facade with crisp white trim, anchored by professional landscaping and welcoming front porch railings. Step through the custom storm door into an open floor plan, where natural light floods the living spaces through strategically placed windows. The seamless flow from living room to dining area creates an entertainer's canvas, enhanced by custom blinds and central air conditioning for year-round comfort. The kitchen commands attention with its granite island, double oven gas range, and abundant cabinetry. A culinary hub designed for both intimate meals and larger gatherings. Ascend to the second level, where 2 bedrooms capture northwest mountain vistas through generous windows. The flexible loft space adapts to your lifestyle as media room, study, or reading retreat. Your primary suite spans the southwest corner, bathed in light from 3 windows, featuring a walk-in closet and spa-inspired bathroom with double vanity and expansive walk-in shower. Practical luxury continues with a 2-car garage with custom flooring and dedicated laundry room with granite counters. Outside, your Trex deck extends the living space with string lighting and northern mountain views, while hand-railed stairs descend to a private yard perfect for gardening pursuits. Brighton's established neighborhoods provide the perfect backdrop for this meticulously maintained home. Schedule your private tour to discover how this residence transforms daily living into effortless elegance.